In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your website to host your new HubSpot pages. By the end, your HubSpot pages will live on your own domain, so visitors see your brand in the URL bar, not a default system address. You'll want admin access in HubSpot and, ideally, access to your domain's DNS, since you may be asked to confirm ownership. Start in your HubSpot account and open the settings area. Look for the gear icon in the navigation. In the left sidebar, head into the Tools section and open Content. From there, go to Domains and URLs. This is the control center for everything related to domains, redirects, and hosting inside HubSpot. Click Connect a Domain. You'll see different connection types. Choose Hosting for this walkthrough. Hosting means you're connecting a web domain or subdomain to serve web content like landing pages, website pages, or blog posts directly from HubSpot. Email sending, by contrast, is only for authenticating your outbound marketing emails, improving deliverability and preventing spoofing. It doesn't host web pages. Select Hosting, then click Connect. Enter the domain or subdomain you want to use, such as a branded subdomain for landing pages. Type it carefully, no extra spaces, no HTTP or HTTPS, and no trailing slashes. Accuracy matters here because this is the address your audience will visit. Click Next, and you'll be prompted to set up an automatic redirect. Type the page or address you want to redirect from, so anyone who lands on the old URL is sent to your new HubSpot-hosted location. This is handy when you're migrating a page or consolidating old content. Double-check the source you enter so you don't create loops or typos that break links. Click Next again to proceed to the Setup confirmation screen. You'll see a checkbox to acknowledge requirements. This typically confirms you have permission to make changes, and that your domain setup meets HubSpot's guidelines. Tick the box to proceed. Now click Verify. HubSpot will check your setup and, if needed, guide you through any additional steps. Verification can be quick, but if DNS updates are involved, it may take a bit to propagate. Keep the window open and wait for the status to complete. Once verification passes, your domain is ready to serve HubSpot pages. Publish a test page or visit an existing one at your new URL to confirm everything looks good. And consider setting this domain as primary for the relevant content type if that fits your strategy. That's it. Your website is now connected to host new HubSpot pages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.